Hello everyone, I'm Elim, and with Nicole we are going to show you rewardify.com. It's a free online web application created by a teacher for teachers in order to improve reading comprehension in your students. Students under 13 years old cannot register to the app but still use it. You can register or not, but if you do, you will be allowed to use more and better features.
Yeah, that's right, Evelyn. So as we already created an account, we're going to log in. And here you have the Educator Central, which is what you are going to use if you're a teacher and you have a class and you want to use the app in the classroom. So you have told me that you had a literature class that you were, what are you teaching?
Yes, I have 25 students and we are trying to read The Black Cat by Edgar Allan Poe, but had been very difficult for them because the language, because actually they don't feel very engaged with the activity.
Okay, so yeah, maybe because there are difficult words that they don't understand. So the Wordify makes it easier for your students. So here in the Educator Central, you can create a class. If you click on the button Add Students, here you can enter, you can create a class, here's the literature class, and you can type students' information. Here you can manage students' accounts, you have charts and reports from the class that you are managing, and the assignments. So how does this work? So get started by creating an assignment. So here's Rewardify. It tells you to browse classic literature from the app. So you can browse classic literature by author or by title. You can browse public documents, or you can add your own text from another website or link. So here we have Black Cat by Edgar Allan Poe. We're going to paste the first paragraph and we are going to go back to the Rewardify button. We're going to paste them. Click the Rewardify button, and here you have the words in yellow that are Rewardified. So these words are in difficult English, and Rewardify makes it more easier. So plain means, in other words, homely.
Homely.
And you can add this word to learn it later. So you have like a vocabulary list or something. And here you can have the statistics. You can share documents, books. You can print learning activities. You can print the original text, the Rewardify text, vocabulary list, quizzes. You can see the parts of a speech. Nouns are in gray, pronouns are in violet, verbs are in red, and so on and so forth. So
that is very interesting because if you don't have a good internet connection, you can print the activities and use it.
Yes, you can print each activity or each assignment that you create. And for example, if you want to use the app, like with this text, we're going to learn here, because there are 15 hard words Rewardified, right? 15. So it says you can pick 3, 10, or 7. So we're gonna pick 3 of them. So here you have the word list. You click on the Begin Learning button, and the app.
The word succinctly means in a well-said way.
So the next step is shows you the word in the context, in the sentence. So you have to read it and then you type it. Succinctly.
Type the word succinctly.
So you type it again. And here you have a quiz. So what does it mean? In a well-said way. So that's correct. The next step. So this is the first word. You're going to that is like how it's going to be with each word.
That's great and very interesting, Nicole, because this can be my activity in classroom. And while we are doing the activity, they are learning how to pronounce the word, how to use it in context, and also they learn how to write it.
Yeah. What do you think are the possible limitations of using these app?
Well, I think the more common limitation could be the lack of internet access in our school. But I think I can provide internet from my cell phone to my students in order that they can learn how to use this application. And how you said before, we can print the activities. Then if I don't have internet or they don't have internet in their homes, I can give them the print activities.
Yes, you can print the rewardify text. So this is just a glimpse of the application. You can go online and look it and see it for yourself, and you can create a library and so on. So
That's very interesting. I'm going to use it, Nicole. Thank you very much.
Thanks.